District Health Society Thoubal na sinduna Changing Mindsets, Empower Yourself to Make Ear and Hearing Care a Reality for All haiba thimda tha asigi tang amada pangthokiba district level painting competition da makok mathang taraklaba mahairoi singda manamathum sing piduna pukning thogatkhre. CMO Complex Thoubal da leiba NHM Conference Hall da ngasi pangthokiba manayen thokpagi thoramda District Health Society Thoubal gi chairman su oiriba DC Thoubal Hana Kamai IAS na athoiba mithunglen Chief Medical Officer Thoubal Dr. Y Nokul Singh na Thoramapu amadi District Hospital Thoubal gi Medical Superintendent Dr. W. Rohini Kumar Singh na akanaba mithunglen sing oina sarukia ki. Athoiba mithunglen gi warolda DC Hana Kamai IAS na hai painting competition asida makok mathang taraklaba sing na ngasi mai pakle haiduna tokloidabani makata na su isagi tungi damakta khanduna competition kayada yauduna makok thangba ngamnaba hotnagadabani punsida mai pakpa miyoi amamam oige hairabadi hotnabada khak ninghannaroidabani haiki mahakna makata na hai Bharat Sarkar amadi Manipur Sarkar na haksel asi yamna maru oina khanduna makal kayagi scheme singi makada miyamda kanaba fanghalibani maramasina Health Department na mathau tawriba singna scheme sing asi mai paknaba hotnaduna lamdamasida haksel gi mari lainaba singda watanaba hotnagadabani haiki thoramadu National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness ki manungchanna category ani thokna khaidok pangthokiba painting competition aduda makok mathang tarakraba mahairoi singda sel amadi citation piduna pukning thogatki.
Enhance your creativity, not only this time but in the coming future. I believe that you will participate in such competitions or such occasion events. May am lakpadasu participate togani haibidu thajai. And ainati hearing kita yam haijaroi because the previous speakers mayam na phajana haikre aduna ai adu matangdedi haijaroi, but the focus Government of India ga state government the focus ka was health the focus ka with the overall health development overall equity performance ka asise health department na paikhatkadabani, and the implementation of the health department is very much significant. Aduna ekoi medical da laiba mayam da haijaninge with certain coordination leiraga phajana pangthoksi whatever ekhoina pangthokadaba Government of India na aduga sillaga and Government of Manipur na pangthokadaba schemes mayam da su phajana tause praja mayam da awareness piraga health ki damakta overall health development ki damakta ekoi awareness piraga phajana thabak tause habde mayam da haijarga asidagi blessed. Thank you.
American author, disability rights advocate and lecturer oiramki. Mahak United States की इहान हानबा Bachelor of Arts की डिग्री फंखेबा deaf and blind ओइबा मिसक अहानबा ओइकी महामा अचंबा मगनी hearing हाइबदी ना ताबा हाइबसी मियोइबना अमागा पाउ फाउनबा अमदी पुकनिंगी वखल फोंदोकनबगी दमकता यामना मरुओइ मना तादबा मियोइसिंग पाउ फाउनबा ngमददुना इमुंग मनुंग amadi maru mapang singdagi tamna lapthorei amaronda pikniga aman singdi mana tadrabadi maron su thokte chawraklabada su lairik laisu amadi moigi thabak inkhangda awaba kaya ama mayokna hali hearing loss haibadi na ta thiba haibasi malemgi oina yamna toina thenariba phibam amani World Health Organization ki data gi matung inna India khaptada miyoi 63 million na tathiba India da lai haina haibiri masi yamna yamkraba masingni na taba haibasi yamna maru oi asa mara masina akoina World Hearing Day haina 3rd March chahi khudingi 3rd March da akoina palan tawi theme amaga loina la chahi khudingi theme asi